Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, we're gonna unbox the HomePod Mini. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video and check it out. So this is Apple's one of the newest products that was launched this year. For those who don't know, HomePod Mini is the successor to the previous gen HomePod, which was slightly different in size and shape too. But to be honest, I must say that I'm pretty impressed with the packaging. Because on the opposite sides of the box, it says Mini, while on the other opposite sides, you get the illustration of your HomePod Mini. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how does it look like. Okay, so this is the HomePod Mini. And before I forget, I would like to mention that HomePod Mini comes in two color options, white and space gray. Over here, I picked this in space gray last night. And let's keep this aside for a while now and see what else do we have in the box. So in the box, we have some paperwork, one Apple sticker and a 20-watt power adapter. But of course, just like the previous gen HomePod, the cable already comes attached with this, which you don't have to pull out. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's get back to the HomePod Mini. Getting back to the HomePod Mini, to be honest, no doubt it looks small, but it is elegant. And in terms of weight, it weighs just 345 grams and is just 3 inches tall. Now let's plug in and try setting this up. Now since we are done setting the HomePod Mini, let's take a look at the best feature of this. The best feature I have seen so far is the way you can transfer your music from your iPhone to your HomePod Mini by just hovering around your HomePod. So let's try how this feature works and turns out to be. Wow, this is absolutely phenomenal. I don't know whether you could get the same audio output and feel which I got, but I need to admit that in terms of sound quality, it is really close to the previous gen HomePod. So overall, considering the price tag of $99, it's considerably really good. And plus, even considering the fact that this device is Apple's first attempt to enter the budget-friendly smart speaker market, Apple as usual did its best. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.